Changing the clutch on the old wagon. I've had her for about 2 years now. I just didn't really mess with it. It's been sitting. Put the rims off my other black Civic. The B18 Civic, as you all know. Right there. We put a clutch in it. Or I did. Here's the old one. She was done. Look at that. This thing's got a big pivot in it right here. Got some axles. Because this one's done. No floppy. Took a video, should have took a video of more stuff, but gonna eventually place the coilovers on it. Well, the shocks with coilovers. Just got a little bit of cancer right here, but it's the project. It's got the stock motor in it. It's completely stock. Maybe it'll get an eBay turbo one day. Right now, I'm just going to daily it. Driving like 100 miles a day on my other car. I have a 2013 GTI. But I'm just putting too much miles on it, driving to work every day. And the clutch is in. Trans is bolted up. About to put the starter in. And I'll be back when it's all together and running.